Hi, I'm Rashi Akar. I'm the co-founder of Country Clay. I'm an ex-Deloitte, ex-Spearhead employee. I have done MBA in Finance and Marketing and have 3+ years of experience in finance and marketing. After a year of research and development, I started Country Clay in April 2021. Country Clay is actually a brand. It's a luxury and affordable brand which embraces our Indian roots, our Indian soils, our desh ki mitti, as they say. We started Country Clay with a vision to revive the dying art of pottery, to create a plastic positive environment. So that was our motive to start Country Clay. In Country Clay, we have 3 specific kinds of ranges. One is ceramic art ranges. In ceramic art, we have products like kitchenware, dinnerware, gardenware, and we do have 140+ SKUs in ceramic art. Then in the other ranges, bathing essential range. In bathing essential range, we have natural and organic soaps, shower gels, face masks, face scrubs with more than 40 SKUs. And then third range is aromatherapy range, in which we have essential oils, incense sticks, incense cones with more than 40 SKUs. So that's about Country Clay. So being a regular user of all the natural and organic products, all the natural and organic beauty products from over a decade, I love these kind of products. But back then, whenever I used to think that, for each and every product is getting heavy on my pocket, and for the people too. So I wanted to solve this issue, and I wanted to solve this for us, for me, for people, because luxury comes with a cost to the people, cost to the environment. So to solve this prevailing issue, I started with the 2 ranges called Bathing Essential and Aromatherapy range at a very affordable pricing. So Country Clay main objective is to revive the dying art of ceramic pottery. We started, what differentiates us from other ceramic providers is our studio pottery collection. So that is the only thing what we have, what other people also have, but we have everything at a very affordable pricing. The core ethos of the brand is that we have created a signature look. This means that customers can actually interact with our design team. They can talk to them, they can customize their products according to their taste, according to their professional and personal requirements. So that's what differentiates us from other people. Of course, everything is at affordable pricing. So that is the main motive what we are going for. I'm really glad to share this. We have served more than 200 customers in domestic and international markets with 20% repeat customers. We got selected for India's Most Promising Startup 2021 by Indian Achievers Forum last month. 3 months back, we got selected for NSR Cell, IMB Launchpad program. We also got selected for Startup Clinic by Google for Startups. When we started in April 2021, just a month later, the second wave of pandemic hit us hard, which disrupted our operations. We were on the verge of streamlining our operations when the entire supply chain and logistics got impacted heavily. Right from procuring the raw materials to processing the products and most importantly delivering it to the consumers became really difficult. However, we tried our best to stay afloat. That's when we came up with the idea of Wellness Kit as a B2B offering for all the businesses. As there was a shift in consumer behavior from shopping at physical stores to shopping online now. So we also utilized this time to increase our presence on social media and digital seller platforms such as Amazon, LBB, Meesho, 23x23, Flipkart, etc. Apart from that, being a bootstrapped company and a very small team, managing it single-handedly with these challenges, which in a normal scenario will not occur, was a big challenge for us. But as they say, challenges makes you perfect and more strong and more confident, which applies on us too. We are looking forward to increase our presence on more digital seller platforms. We're also planning to set up a physical store in the coming months, maybe to start from in Bangalore. Next, we are planning to increase our customer base to 10,000 by 2022 end. We are also trying to capture global market by exports, and we're on it right now. So with the end of this year, I think that will work. We are also trying to we are going to introduce our pottery art from other states of India, such as Jaipur blue pottery, black clay pottery, terracotta, etc. We are also trying to strengthen our efforts in research and development, product development. We're also going for clinical trials. We want to invest more in marketing, and we're also looking for team expansion in this coming year. When we started, we were facing a lot of challenges managing our estimates, our invoices, our collecting payments, etc. And then we got to know about Open Money. After using Open Money, I can comfortably say that the platform has eased out all our challenges of making vendor payments, collecting payments, invoicing on the go, and so many others. Founders One Card is a blessing in disguise for an SME like us. The platform of the Open Money was so comfortable and it was so user interactive. So it gave us a lot of effort and a lot of ease to do our business more appropriately and efficiently.